Hello viewers, welcome to our YouTube channel Fin Bangla. Today we'll review one new product. This is the new Powerbeats Pro. So let's go ahead and open this up. So let's open this. So this is the box. Wow, it's very nice. Nice color. Let's check out how is inside and how is the box. This is the Powerbeats Pro case. It is made of plastic, but it's quite durable and it feels like premium. It has a light indicator, very tiny, and here is the charging point. These are the AirPods. It's very nice, light, and the color is also very nice. Here, this is the volume control button. Here is a sensor. Let's take a look what is inside the box. This is a lightning adapter with USB cable and some extra earbuds. I can see that the earbuds are in 3 different sizes: large, small and medium. We have one user manual. Here is a sticker. This is the user manual and this is the safety and handling guide. So let's discuss about its feature. It has great battery life, up to 9 hours wireless play and 24 hours with charging case. Powerbeats Pro is completely sweat and water resistant. This has awesome on-ear controls for music and calls. There is a very important reason I have bought this Powerbeats Pro, and that is adjustable secure fit ear hooks. I was always very afraid to use any kind of AirPod because I feel afraid that they will fall down and will be lost. But in case of this Powerbeats Pro, it has these ear hooks. So I feel very comfortable to use this one. Let's connect it with my phone and see how it works. So you have to turn on your Bluetooth. And then you have to open the case. Here you have to press connect. And I have to press it here. Let's press continue. Done. So it's showing that it has 77% charge in left AirPod and 66% in right, and the case has 22% charge. So done, and now it's ready to use.